Hey guys, how to stake crypto on Kraken. So open up your Kraken wallet and click the portfolio at the bottom left, okay? And under the portfolio value, you're gonna see bonded earn or auto earn, right? So based on what you want, if you want a bonded earn, you could just go ahead and hit the bonded earn right here, and you can stake one of the famous, um, you know, cryptos out there, like Bitcoin, Ethereum in most cases. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and hit earn, right? And you can select asset to earn, right? So you can see right here, US dollar, you can earn up to 4.25%, right? APR, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. So I'm gonna select Bitcoin, right? And instead of measuring in Bitcoin, I'm gonna add like $1, right, worth of Bitcoin. So it can be like however the price it is today. I'm gonna hit review, right, and now I will allocate $1, right, and the earning rate will be 0.15%, right, and the bonding time will be instant, and the unbonding time will be at least a 30-day window. Okay, so make sure you do it manually, because bonded earn or bonded profits are manual, right? So you have to add like $1 each week, or once a week, excuse me, and to make sure that you grow your portfolio. Same goes with Ethereum or any famous crypto out there. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.